Welcome to this quick tutorial on the admin overview page in SpEd Forms. This is your go-to page for quickly checking special education data and ensuring compliance in your building. The top section here of the admin overview page gives you quick access to student data. This is the fastest way for principals to check special education status in their building. We can look at the active students, and here we can see we have 4. If you click on that, it takes you to a quick student search already. We can see all the active students in our building. We can go back to the overview and take a look at the upcoming evaluations and IEPs. So we can see evaluations that are due within the next 30 days. Currently we have 0. If I click on that, you can see that the search has nothing there. IEPs is a little different. We can see that we have 3 of those. Click on that, quick search, we find our 3 students who have upcoming IEP meetings. This will include the ones that are overdue, along with the ones that are coming up in the next few weeks. We can click on the overview again and go back and find any overdue evaluations or IEPs. So again, our IEPs that are overdue, there are 2 of them. We can see here with a quick look. Clicking on that gives us that quick search, and once again we can see those ones we saw before in the upcoming IEPs, but this just isolates only the overdue ones. By clicking any of the numbers over on this side, we get instant filters for the students in that category. That allows you to get a quick overview of special education activities within your building. Below the student search section, you're going to find the featured quick reports. These reports help track compliance and ensure consistency within the electronic files of SpEd Forms. The 2 most important reports that the special education coordinators use on a monthly basis are plans not finalized 30 days after meeting date and ERs not finalized 30 days after meeting date. I'm just going to click on the plans not finalized, and you'll see that it takes a little while to load these reports, but checking these reports regularly helps keep records accurate and ensures that the special education documents are finalized. When you are looking at a quick report, there is checkboxes that you can select and unselect, and that will narrow down your report. So you can filter out the information that you want to see or don't want to see. You can also download this as a CSV file, which is opened usually in Microsoft, but you can upload those into Google Sheets also. The admin overview page provides principals with a real-time snapshot of special education in their building. Use the quick searches for an instant overview and check those featured reports to stay ahead of compliance deadlines. For more tutorials, please visit the online binder or reach out to your special education coordinator.